Rasta Meditation, Yakin Boats, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Na Zion, yeah man. Na Zion man. Shining bright from heaven high, Zion light will never die. It guide me spirit, guide me soul. Zion light make me whole. No darkness can dim its flame. Zion light exalt your name, forever glowing, pure and true. Zion light for me and you. Zion light shine so strong, guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light called your name. Na Zion man. Na Zion man. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion light all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion light keep it strong. It burn the wicked, heal the kind. Zion light renew the mind. Eternal glowing, never cease. Zion light bring your peace. Rising morning sun, Zion light the chosen one. It blaze eternal, never fall. Zion light the one and all. It warm the heart, it free the soul. Zion light me holy goal, forever shining bright and wide. Zion light always guide. It rise eternal, shine so high. Zion light fill the sky. No Babylon can hide the ray. Zion light forever stay. It guide the nations, guide the man. Zion light, Jah plan, eternal glowing, pure and strong. Zion light all along. Trumpet sound again. Zion light still remain, forever only, never fade. Zion light Jah hand has made, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion light show Jah way, eternal flame, forever true. Zion light for me and you. Shine high, shine free. Zion light eternity. No night, no chain can dim the glow. Zion light forever show. Zion light shine so strong, guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light call your name, from age to age, from night to dawn. Zion light keep shining on. Na Zion reggae, yeah man. Walk the Zion path so true. Jaja guide me steps anew. It lead the humble, guide the meek. Zion path all soul shall seek. No Babylon can block the way. Zion path forever stay. It shine with light, it shine with flame. Zion path exalt his name. Zion path, straight and clear. Jah forever walking near. Every step me, soul be strong. Zion path, me walk along. It guide the children, guide the land. Zion path by Jah hand, forever holy, never stray. Zion path the righteous way. It climb the hill, it cross the sea. Zion path eternity, from dawn to dusk, from night to day. Zion path the only way. Me trod the road with the psalm in hand. Zion path across the land. It lift me soul, it heal me mind. Zion path for all mankind. No Babylon can shake me ground. Zion path always found, forever holy, pure and true. Zion path carry you. It shine eternal, shine so bright. Zion path Jah light, forever glowing, never cease. Zion path bring Jah peace. It call the nations, call them home. Zion path never roam, eternal roadway, pure and strong. Zion path we trod along. When the trumpet sound again, Zion path still remain, forever shining, pure and free. Zion path destiny, from age to age, from day to night. Zion path forever light, eternal journey, true and long. Zion path me heart belong. Step firm, step true. Zion path for me and you. No chain, no wall can block the way. Zion path here fi stay. Zion path, straight and clear. Jah forever walking near. Every step me, soul be strong. Zion path, me walk along. From dawn of time to judgment day. Zion path, me trod Jah way. Na 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 na. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Yeah. Peace of Zion fill me soul, make the broken spirit whole. It calm the storm, it heal the pain. Zion peace forever reign. No Babylon can take away. Zion peace forever stay. Eternal blessing strong and true. Zion peace peace for me and you. Zion peace, calm and wide, everlasting holy tide. Every breath, every song, Zion peace forever strong. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion peace all people seek. Forever holy, never cease. Zion peace, bring Jah peace. It soothe the heart, it heal the land. Zion peace, by Jah hand, forever shining bright and clear. Zion peace forever near. Me feel it flow in gentle breeze. Zion peace across the seas. No man stop it, no man bind. Zion peace for all mankind. It guide the youth, it guide the old. Zion peace more than gold. Forever holy, pure and wide. Zion peace, the holy tide. It's rise eternal, never gone. Zion peace forever strong, forever flowing pure and true. Zion peace carry you. It still the night, it calm the day. Zion peace, Yahweh, eternal blessing, strong and free. Zion peace, eternity. When the trumpet sound again, Zion peace still remain. Forever holy, never fall. Zion peace for one and all. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion peace, Yahweh, eternal calm, eternal song. Zion peace forever long. Come strong, come deep. Zion peace me soul keep. No war, no hate can take away. Zion peace here to stay. Zion peace, calm and wide, everlasting holy tide. Every breath, every song, Zion peace forever strong. From age to age, from night to dawn, Zion peace still carry on. Ay, ay, ay. Smoke a spliff with Zion. Reggae, yeah, man. Stand so tall upon the hill. Our God by just strong will. Beacon bright for all to see. Symbol of eternity. Stone of faith. Flow so strong from mountainside. River carry a pure guide. Every drop a healing stream. Wash away the wicked scheme. Cool the soul, refresh the land. River flow by Jah command. No drought can dry, no wall restrain. River bless the earth again. River of Zion deep and wide. Carry truth and holy tide. Wash the heart, renew the mind. Living water for mankind. It run through valley, run through plain. It feed the seed with gentle rain. It give the thirsty child to drink. Teach the elder how to think. No poison spoil, no hand control. River cleanse the weary soul. From high to low, from shore to sea. River flow eternally. It sing a song of love and peace. It chant until the wars all cease. It whisper, come lay down your fight. Walk in Jah and live in light. It tell the world we live as one. River flow till work is done. Every ripple tell Jah name. Flowing strong with holy flame. Me sit beside the river clear. Feel Jah presence drawing near. It guide me hand, it wash me face. Fill me soul with righteous grace. It teach me heart to heal and give. Show the path of how to live. No end, no start, just circle run. River flow till time is done. When the night falls start to rise. River shine beneath the skies. Moon above and stars reflect. River show what soul connect. From first dawn to final day. River never fade away. Living stream of Zion bless. Wash the world in righteousness. Flow deep, flow strong. River sing the ancient song. From mount to sea, from birth to end. River of Jah, always friend. River of Zion, deep and wide. Carry truth and holy tide. Wash the heart, renew the mind. Living water for mankind. From dawn to dusk, from sun to moon. River sing Jah, holy tune. From dawn to dusk, from sun to moon. River sing Jah, 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 Jah. Step out barefoot na the morning dew. Sunlight bless me skin, Jah light shine through. Me carry me bag, me herb, me drum. Me hear the calling, Zion train a come. Me heart beat like Naya Bingi sound. Me soul levitate, me feet touch ground. This journey deeper than road or mile. It's spirit travel guided by the sound of heartbeats rooted in sacred ground. Me chant psalms with ancient tongue. Me soul sing like it just begun. All aboard the Rasta train. No borders, no locks, no chain. Only love, no need for fame. We ride to Zion in Jah name. It's a journey, not a race. Every soul of them pace. Smoke rise, me find me space. In a Jah light, me see me face. Me no stress, me no fear. Rasta know the eye is near. In a silence, me hear the voice. Say live conscious, live with joy. Oh, me meet a elder on the way. Him say youth, give thanks every day. Life simple like wind and tree. Respect Jah laws and you will be free. Me share me herb, we reason long. Drum beat echo, spirit strong. Me learn more from vibes than book. Zion journey need more than look. All aboard the Rasta train. Through sunshine, thunder, joy and pain. We ride in love, we chant again. To Zion heights where peace remain. Oh, 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 Zion train a roll. Take me soul where love control. Ganja burn and spirit hold. Rasta train, I carry me home. Ay, ay, ay.
Spliff deep in the sweat, kaya man. Blowing free from mountain high. Zion wind across the sky. It carries sound, it carry prayer. Zion wind everywhere. No man stop it, no man tame. Zion wind exalt your name. Forever blowing, pure and free. Zion wind, eternity. Zion wind, strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion wind, all around. It cool the fire, lift the flame. Zion wind, call your name. Forever moving, never still. Zion wind, Jah will. It bless the valley, bless the sea. Zion wind for you and me. Eternal flowing, never cease. Zion wind, bring Jah peace. Me hear it chant through the trees. Zion wind, bring Jah breeze. It sing this song, it spread the word. Zion wind, always heard. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion wind, Jah Zion wind of holy birth, eternal blowing, never gone. Zion wind, keep it strong. When the trumpet sound again, Zion wind still remain, forever blowing, pure and free. Zion wind, wear the crown. Zion wind, strong and true, carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion wind, all around, from age to age, from night to morn. Zion wind, forever born. Blow strong, blow high, Zion wind across the sky. No chain, no wall can hold it down. Zion wind, wear the crown. Zion wind, strong and true, carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion wind, all around, from age to age, from night to morn. Zion wind, forever born.
Aye, aye, aye. Jamaica, Ashisha, man. Early morning sunrise from me windowsill, burning herbs with peace. Jah love I feel, me soul awaken. No stress, no war, just birds are singing and a beat from afar. Me roll a spliff with reverence true. No Babylon, no chains, only sky so blue. I and I meditate on the hills of light, chanting blessings in a Zionite night. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate, me chant Naya Bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Me walk barefoot on the sacred ground. Nature whispering with every sound. Irie rhythm from me heart it play. Me not stray, just show me the way. Me sip coconut, me eat ital stew. Me spirit cleansed by the morning dew. With every puff me see clearer still. Me destiny guided by Jah will. Me not rich with gold, but me soul be strong. Me carry the wisdom of ancient slang. With dreadlocks swinging and eyes so bright. Me chant for love and eternal light. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate, me chant Nyaya Bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Hear the drums of Africa, they call me name. Ancestral spirits, they spark the flame. Me close me eyes, me fly away to Zion land, where peace I stay. No politics, no wicked plan. Only one Jah and the heart of man. Me reason deep with brethren true. Under stars with a cosmic view. Me meet a sister with a lion heart. She burn her herbs and play her part. She chants psalms and dance in grace. With sun upon her ancient face. Together we trod
the rootsy lane. Through reggae sound and gentle rain, me build me house with bamboo strong. And every night we sing a song. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate, me chant Naya bin give me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. So light the fire, burn the sage. We free the mind, we turn the page. A life of love, no time for hate. Jah time divine, me nah be late. Zion echoes on the beat again. Rasta spirit never end. Play this tune on every show and chant for peace forevermore.
Zion reggae, yeah man. High above the clouds so bright, throne of Zion shine with light. Seat of justice, seat of peace, where the wars and sorrow cease. Every stone a crown of love, every step from God above. Throne eternal, pure and true, hold the path for me and you. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. It stand where prophet voice was heard, it echo every holy word. It shine the truth, it shine the flame, lift the soul in Jah true name. No king of man can take the seat, throne of Jah no one defeat. It rule the time, it rule the space, throne eternal, throne of grace. It called the children one by one, say come home, the work is done. It heal the wound, it break the chain, bring the joy, remove the pain. From root to crown, from sea to star, throne of Zion guide so far. Every nation, every land, bow before the holy stand. We see the vision in me dream, throne of Zion bright and gleam. It says stay true, don't walk astray, throne will guide you every day. It teach the heart, it teach the soul, Jah creation make us whole. It keep the love, it keep the light, throne of Zion shining bright. When the dawn come round again, throne still stand above the plain. It never shake, it never fall, throne of Jah command it all. From first chant till time is done, throne forever holy one, seat of love, of peace, of flame, throne eternal, praise Jah name. Stand firm, stand tall, throne of Jah above it all. No crown of man, no earthly king, throne of Zion everything, throne of Zion high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. From dawn to dusk, from birth to end.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Well, let the session begin, Zion. carry herb and heart so true. Me see paltal from coconut shell, inna the hills where Jaja dwell. The breeze it whisper ancient lore, a prophets chanting from before. Under the mango tree me sit, with wisdom leave me mind get lit. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high, lift me soul pan the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight, Zion call me to the heights. The lion roar from deep within, me chant psalms and shed me skin. No gold, no chain, just nature round. Rasta soul to earth is bound. Meditation in a misty morn, a higher life me now reborn. With every draw me spirit grow, in ganja fire me shoots overflow. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high, lift me soul pan the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight, Zion call me to the heights. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high, lift me soul pan the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight, Zion call me to the heights. No need for clock, no need for race, me find me rhythm, me sacred place. Me plant the seed, me water well, me life a prayer, me mind no dwell. Me dreadlocks swaying in the breeze, me soul connected to the trees. Me hear the drums, me feel the beat, the earth it move beneath me feet. Smoke rise up in a sacred ring, me reason with bird and every wing. Rasta way, no just a fad, it's how me live, and me give thanks to that. Zion I me nah go fall, Rasta rise above them all. Peace and ganja, love and light, me ride the rhythm deep in the night. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Deep in the night. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Deep in the night.
Zion Raga, blow so free across the land. Wind of Jah by holy hand, carry seed, it spread the song, guide the people all along. Every gust a message true, every breeze a voice for you. Wind of Zion whisper clear, tell the world Jah spirit near. Wind of Jah blow far and wide, lift the soul, no need fi hide. Carry love on wings unseen, keep the heart forever clean. It move the tree, it shake the ground, it carry chanting sacred sound. It bring the rain, it cool the flame, blow away the world of shame. No man control, no king restrain. Wind of Jah forever reign, from desert dust to ocean shore. Wind of love forevermore. It guide the ship across the tide, it lift the eagle high in pride. It move the cloud, it shift the sky, tell the people never die. It speak true, live, it's in hand and feel it on me skin. Hear the holy voice within. It says stay firm, don't lose your way. Wind will guide you night and day. It moved the drum, it moved the song. Carry chant the whole night long. No silence, still no chain can bind. Wind of Jah is free and kind. When the evening shadows grow, wind still whispers soft and low. It guard the child, it lift the old. Tell the tale of love retold. From birth to death, from rise to fall. Wind of Jah embrace us all. From start of time to endless years. Wind dry all the people tears. Blow high, blow strong. Wind of Jah forever long. No wall, no gate can stop the breeze. Wind of Jah brings soul at ease. Wind of Jah blow far and wide. Lift the soul, no need fi hide. Carry love on wings unseen. Keep the heart forever clean. From sky to land, from sea to shore. Wind of Jah forevermore. Rise, Zion roots. Oda. Healing vibes in the air. Herb at the bomb, take away me care. Rasta chant, jazz love declare. Healing vibes everywhere. The herb make me strong like a lion bold. Wisdom flow more precious than gold. Every puff a story told. Just love eternal, it can't get old. Bubba kush and lemon haze. Sacred smoke make the spirit raise. Meditation deep, me at a blaze. The herb are the key for brighter days. Healing vibes in the air. Herb are the bomb, take away me care. Rasta chant, just love declare. Healing vibes everywhere. In the night when the stars shine bright, ganja bring peace, make the world feel right. The smoke a signal, a sacred light, guiding me soul through the darkest fight. From the roots of Zion to the city lane, herb unite, take away the pain. Babylon can't stop the love we've gained. Healing vibes forever remain. This ya herb a bridge, feed the soul. Connecting hearts make the people whole. The message clear, it's jazz roll. Healing vibes forever the goal. Healing vibes in the air. Herb a the bomb, take away me care. Rasta chant, jazz love declare. Healing vibes everywhere. From the chalice smoke to the drum beat strong. Herb by the anthem of jazz song. Forever me chant, it can't be wrong. Healing vibes carry us along.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 Jamaica. Jamaica. Sunshine and reggae, yeah, man.
Rise up me brother, rise up me queen. Sunlight paint the hills in gold and green. Me rock me crown, me soul feel clean. Jallo flowing in a roots man stream. No need for riches or big car scene. Me carry truth like Ital cuisine. Me chalice bun with sacred flame. Every puff call out your name. Sacred smoke and sunshine glow. Reggae rhythm make I flow. No more worry, no more fight. Only love in the morning light. Meditation on a mountain high, with ganja cloud and open sky. Zion echoes a sound divine. Blessed be the urban time. Me walk barefoot through ancient sand. Wisdom carved in the lines of me hand. Each step a chant, each breath a prayer. Me no lost, Jah always there. From hills of Jamaica to African shore, reggae carry story from root to core. Me no need approval, me no need fame. Me rhythm, me fire, me sacred flame. Light it up, let it rise. Mystic smoke, reach the skies. Third eye open, wide and true. See the world in Irie hue. Babylon try distract me view, but me focus on the real and new. One spliff, one rhythm, one soul fire. We chant till we lift higher and higher. Sacred smoke and sunshine glow. Reggae rhythm make I flow. No more worry, no more fight. Only love in the morning light. Meditation on a mountain high, with ganja cloud and open sky. Zion echoes a sound divine. Blessed be the urban time. Me sit with elders, learn the way. Ancient truths from back in the day. Chalice pass round like sacred book. Read by fire, not by look. Me nah judge, me nah hate. Me only plant seeds and wait. From meditation come vibration. From roots grow revelation. So sing with me, come chant again. In the hills, the forest, the urban terrain. Every soul a spark of Jah design. Every man can feel the divine. Smoke rise, mind fly. Rasta live, Rasta not die. So we give thanks for the herb delight, and the reggae that guide we through the night. Sacred smoke and sunshine bright, shine upon we day and night. Ital food and purest breath, guide we way from worldly death. Roots and culture, drum and sound. Zion rise from holy ground. Zion echoes always near. Rasta vibes them loud and clear.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 Jamaica. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Roots don't sleep, even when the world them deep in a illusion. Even when steel and glass take over land, Jah power still grow from the ground. Me wake up with sun pa me face, another day in Babylon place. Them Them system cold, them heart so dry. Them watch we suffer while them fly high. But me roots, them talk in the breeze, whispering truths beneath them trees. Every leaf a memory, every grain a tale, a silent revolution, unstoppable trail. Them take we water, them poison the food. Them call it progress, me call it rude. But me plant seed with intention strong. Me know the earth will right the wrong. Roots don't sleep, them rise at night. Them feel with pain, them fight the fight. Through concrete cracks and plastic shell, roots reach out with spirit swell. Roots don't sleep, them listen clear. Them cry with weed, them wipe with tear. While Babylon dance in fake delight, roots prepare for the holy light. Me walk through city with silent mind, observing the madness mankind design. Them busy chasing what can't fulfill. Me chant for balance, me soul stay still. Me see billboard with glitter and fame, but behind it me hear Jah name. Me see the children hungry and lost, while them leaders drink and boss. Me nah join the circus of fear. Me hold me heart, me keep Jah near. Them push division, color and creed, but love still grow like sacred weed. Me hear Mama Earth, she call me so. Say child of light, you half you know. Me womb still fertile, me fire still blaze, but you must walk through Babylon is. Them a sleep, them a scroll, them a click, but roots no rhythm, roots move quick. Deep in the soil where no eye can see, a new world growing quietly. Roots of knowledge, roots of love, fed by moon and watched by dove. Me chant with drum, me chant with flame. Me burn illusion, me call them name.
Smoke a kush with Seft Kaya man. Me rise up early with the sun, chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in soil, me mind at peace, planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden lush and green, sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist, every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life, stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land, in ganja smoke and jaja hand. Me burn a spliff, fi clear me sight. Me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me through every leaf. Me spirit free in a one love herb garden. We grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist, every draw a sacred twist. Meditation time on this
rush life, me slow the pace, me find your life in every space.
Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full, but always more. Me teach the youth to plant and grow. Not just herb, but art, you know. The land a teacher, herb a guide. Just spirit always deep inside. In a one love, herb garden. Me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon done.
Bada boom, bada boom. Rasta Kush inna the area, man. Me wake on the hillside, dew still fresh. Me sip the herbal tea, no worry, no stress. In a hammock, swing between the trees. Me feel the breeze, me heart find peace. The drum beat a call from ancient ground. Me close me eye and listen to the sound. Birds sing melodies in a natural scale. Me journey begin on a holy trail. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me no need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me gather me herbs from the forest way. Blessed by the sun, them shine each day. Ital soup in a clay pot boil, with coconut, yam and sweet olive oil. Me chant Jah Rastafari with soul. Me not chase riches, me not seek gold. Me wealth of peace, me wealth of time. Me soul align like ancient rhyme. Me reason with me brethren on the porch. Smoke the chalice under full moon touch. Them Babylon light can't blind me sight. Me vision clear in a starry night. Me see future bright like Zion gate. No hate, just love me now wait. Me walk slow, me talk true. Me live each day like me born anew. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me no need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me sing for the elders, me sing for the youth. Me sing roots rhythm, me sing the truth. No TV lies, no media fog. Me write me story like log upon log. Me blaze up the chalice in a ceremony. One love, one heart, no enemy. Each draw bring vision, each breath bring grace. Me trod in a Rasta time sacred place. Yeah, herbs and harmony guide me path. Me chant wisdom like ancient craft. No fear in me bones, just sound. Reggae run like river underground. So me say to the world, slow down, just be. Sit on stone and watch the tree. Inhale love, exhale pain. Let your vibes fall like blessed rain. Me share me joy with rhythm and tune. Zion echoes, we stand alone in a unity, in a roots delight. Me blaze for peace every day and night.
people, yeah man. Me step barefoot on the morning dew, which I listen and me trod through. Mountain breeze whisper secrets all. Me heart beat steady, me soul feel bold. Each leaf a teacher, each tree a guide. Me walk with Jah right by me side. Me nah need map, me nah need plan. Jah light me way in this blessed land. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype on herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me sit under fig tree, light me spliff. Give thanks for life, each sacred gift. Bird them chant, river flow sweet. Me chant psalms with ancient beat. No city nice, no digital screen. Me vision clear, me soul stay clean. Meditation roll like thundercloud. Me thoughts come low, me chant out loud. And when Babylon call, me nah hear. Me dwell in peace, far from fear. Me find me joy in the roots and stone. Me build me temple from herbs alone. Me gather herbs in a woven sack. Me carry wisdom on me back. Each leaf a blessing, each draw divine. Me connect with Jah time after time. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype on herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me blaze for the youth, them lost in town, who never feel earth underfoot ground down. Me call them to hills, call them to light. Show them stars in a darkest night. Me share me fruits, me share me flame. One world, one blood, all the same. No ego, no hate, in a me gate. Just love and vibes, me meditate. Yeah, me nah follow trend, me nah wear mask. Me nah chase likes, me nah do task. Me just chant truth like Rasta should. Me live in harmony, me life feel good. So if you seek peace, come trod with I. We'll blaze a spliff beneath the sky. No hurry, no worry, just pure bliss. Each step a prayer, each puff a kiss. Zion echoes echo far and wide. We bring the roots where truth reside. One rhythm, one sound, one eternal flame. And Jah know I never walk in vain. Across the land, herb feed the people, Babylon can't understand. Green gold treasure make we overstand. Oh, green gold treasure shine bright in me hand. Roll up the vibe, spread love across the land. Herb feed the people, Babylon can't understand. Green gold treasure make we overstand. Oh, wake up early, sun on my face. Step out of me yard, the herb embrace. Call for the crew, it's a natural space. Life's a rhythm, Jah love
Jah, so make it free. The herb I unify, it's the key. Green gold treasure eternally. Green gold treasure shine bright in me hand. Roll up the vibe, spread love across the land. Herb for the people Babylon can't understand. Green gold treasure make we overstand. From the mountain high to the valley low, ganja seeds plant, watch the blessings grow. Forever me I sing, forever me I show. Green gold treasure, let the love flow.
Na na na, Kali Kushina the morning, yeah man. Oh oh, early morning like kiss the hills. Smoke rising slow, just spirit it feels. I wrap me dread in sacred thought. One love, one heart, everything taught. Roots deep in a mother earth. Meditation bring the soul rebirth. From the chalice me sip wisdom wine. Through herbs and rhythm I realign. It's a lion heart journey. Through smoke and sky we see clear. In a mystic vibration, Jah message we draw near. This a rootsman meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion Nation, we trod the righteous song. Chanting mantras under the stars, beats like heartbeat, healing scars. Every drum a ancient prayer. Rasta walk with no despair. We no need no vanity crown, only ganja steam and solid ground. Me people rise from Babylon dust in ital food and sacred trust. Breathing deep, the herb is life. Cut through the tension, slice the strife. No gold chain can buy this peace. Only Jah love make war cease. Irie breeze blow through me soul, guiding me spirit to its goal. No clock, no rush, just sacred flow. Where the chalice lights start to glow. This a lion heart journey. Through smoke and sky we see clear. In a mystic vibration, Jah message we draw near. This a rootsman meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion Nation, we trod the righteous song. In the dance hall of creation, every step a revelation. Me skanking freedom, praise the King. Rhythm of life, hear it ring. No false prophets, hold me faith. Only truth, me cultivate. In the bush, me build me peace. Let Babylon nice decrease. So light up the night, let the fire blaze. Ganja smoke rise in Yahweh praise. Every inhale a sacred rite. Blessed by moon and morning light. We not seek war, we chant for grace. With truth reggae, we find our place. So follow the path, lion and free to the highest heights of unity. Lion heart, lion fire, we chant higher and higher. No more fear, no more pain, just reggae love like healing rain. Lion heart, lion way, Rasta walking light today. Roots deep, soul fly, Zion echoes reach the sky. Yeah, 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 yeah. Lord, nah.
Zion roots. Ay, ay, ay. Kalikush. Inna the paper. Yeah, man. Freedom blaze. Light up this vodka. Her body key. Make the spirit fly. One love call. Me reply. Freedom blaze. Your love can die. Freedom blaze. Light up this vodka. Her body key. Make the spirit fly. One love call, me reply. Freedom blaze, your love can die. Babylon chain can't hold me soul. The herb me bun make the righteous whole. Inna the fire, me find me goal. Freedom blaze take full control. Every puff I remind me say, your light shine bright, show me the way. Roll up the chalice, give thanks and pray. Freedom blaze, make the dark turn day. Freedom blaze, light up the sky. Her body key, make the spirit fly. One love call, me reply. Freedom blaze, your love can die. The heal herb make me heart rejoice. Enough wisdom flow. Listen, your voice can silence truth. It's the people choice. Freedom blazing, I love me pies. Blueberry strain, ROG fire. The herb uplift, take me higher. Inna the smoke, me spirit as higher. Freedom blaze, set me soul on fire. It's a chant for the love divine. Herb make the stars, them align. Babylon can't stop Jah design. Freedom blaze, eternally shine. Freedom blaze, light up the sky. Her body key, make the spirit fly. One love call, me reply. Freedom blaze, Jah love can die. So light up the fire, let the smoke rise tall. Freedom blaze, answer Jah call. Forever me sing, forever me ball. Her body blessing fi one and all. Zion roots, yeah man. Sacred smoke, lift me high. Herb of Jah, reach the sky. Healing vibes, can't deny. Inna the circle we chant and praise. Light up the herbs, set the soul ablaze. Sativa breeze feed the brighter days. Sacred smoke make the pathway raise. No need no riches, no diamond shine. Herb are the treasure, it's Jah design. Roll up the love, make the heart combine. Sacred smoke, the blessing divine. Sacred smoke, lift me high. Herb of Jah, reach the sky. Healing vibes, can't deny. Sacred smoke, the spirit comply. Golden strains like the morning sun. Pineapple kush make the journey fun. One puff a day make the struggle done. Sacred smoke, me battles won. Meditation deep, the vision clear. Herb are the answer, banish fear. Inna Jah love, me persevere. Sacred smoke, forever near. Chant down Babylon walls tonight. Herb are the guide, the holy light. Sacred smoke make the wrongs go right. Forever in Jah sight. Sacred smoke, lift me high. Herb of Jah, reach the sky. Healing vibes, can't deny. Sacred smoke, the spirit comply. So gather the people, let the smoke them rise. Sacred herb, Jah's gift in disguise. Forever we praise, forever we realize. Sacred smoke, open your eyes.